To enable or disable demo mode in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon. And then scroll down settings screen, find developer options, and then tap developer options. And then scroll down developer options screen, and then select demo mode. To enable demo mode, tap switch until gray, or to disable, tap switch until white. If you enable demo mode, show demo mode will be enabled, and then if you turn on show demo mode will be shown. Demo mode for the status bar allows you to force the status bar into a fixed state, useful for taking screenshot with a consistent status bar state, or testing different status icon permutation. Demo mode is available in recent version of Android. You can see status bar if demo mode is shown. Yes, you can see different if show or hide demo mode. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.